The Magic Pencil. School was over. Max walked home slowly. The afternoon was warm. Max is going to cross the road. An old woman stood nearby. She held many bags. The road looked busy. "Oh dear," she whispered. "So many cars," she said. Max smiled kindly. "I can help you." The old woman smiled back. "Thank you, young boy," she said. Max carried her bag. Together they crossed the road. Finally, they reached safely. "Thank you very much," said the old woman. "You are very kind." Max scratched his head shyly. "My pleasure," he said. The old woman opened a small wooden box. Inside was a pencil. It was bright blue. Tiny stars sparkled on it. "This is for you," she said. Max blinked twice. "A pencil?" The old woman smiled. "Use it wisely." Before Max could speak, the woman walked away slowly. Max looked confused. At home, Max took a paper. He held the pencil. It felt warm somehow. "This is strange," he whispered. Then he laughed. "I want cake." He wrote carefully, "Big chocolate cake." Flash! A giant cake appeared. Max jumped backward. "What?" The cake smelled delicious. Chocolate cream dripped slowly. Max tasted one bite. So good! His eyes sparkled with joy. Then Max became excited. He started writing, "Pizza, French fries, donuts, ice cream, noodles." Flash, flash, flash. Food appeared everywhere. The table became full. The floor became messy. Max laughed loudly. "This pencil is amazing." The next day, Max met his friend Liam. "You must see this," said Max excitedly. Liam looked confused. "What is it?" Max showed the pencil. Then he wrote, "Strawberry pancakes." Flash! Warm pancakes appeared instantly. Liam gasped loudly. "No way!" Both boys laughed. "Let's make more," said Liam. The boys grabbed paper. They drew very fast. Cookies, tacos, hamburgers, cupcakes, watermelon. Flash, flash, flash. Bzzz. The pencil shook hard. Max frowned nervously. Uh-oh. The pencil floated upward. "It's moving alone," inspired Liam. The magic pencil spun wildly. It scribbled everywhere. Flash, flash, flash. Huge popcorn mountains appeared. Long sandwiches appeared. Hundreds of bananas appeared. "Stop!" yelled Max. But the pencil continued. Finally, poof! The pencil flashed brightly. Then it disappeared forever. Max and Liam stared around. Food covered everything. Liam sighs deeply. "We can't eat this alone." Max suddenly smiled. Let's share it. The boys called nearby friends. Soon many children came. Wow, so much food! This is awesome, they said. Everyone laughed together. Everyone ate happily. They ate pizza together. They shared cake together. They drank juice together. Everyone smiled warmly. The magic pencil was gone, but everyone felt happy. A small act of kindness can bring wonderful surprises. Sharing with friends makes happiness even bigger.